Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can drag cells content in Microsoft Excel using mobile phone. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my file in Microsoft Excel on my mobile phone, and for example, I'm going to drag the cells content. If we want to drag or autofill, we need to click on the cell we want to drag, and we can tap and hold on this line. Don't drag on the circle because if you drag on the circle, it won't be autofilled. So you need to drag on this line. I'm going to practice it like this. And as you can see that the column has been autofilled. And then I'm going to practice it one more time. Tap on the cell we want to drag and then just drag on this line. Okay, now it's done. Alright guys, and that's all the way to drag cells content in Microsoft Excel using mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.